Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Amber and I do lots of fun tutorials on my channel. So check out some of my other videos and subscribe before you leave. So today we are going to be doing my new obsession, a Builder Gel Mani. I will link all the products I use and all the details down below. I'm going to start with this Sparkle & Co. pH Prep. This is really just kind of like an alcohol-based dehydrator, and it's supposed to kind of calm down those natural oils or anything on your natural nail bed so that your products adhere a little bit better. So I started with that, and then we're going to be using my absolute favorite product, this Amalie Builder Gel. It is $10 for the Builder Base and Top Coat combo on Amazon, and it is by far the best product I've ever used. So what I do for my method is I'm going to get some of that gel out of the bottle. I'm going to swipe it onto my nail. Once I feel like I have a good amount of gel, I'm going to wipe off the brush on another nail. That way I've got a clean, smooth brush that I can work that product around and make sure I have a really nice, smooth foundation. The way that I do this is I spend a little bit more time making sure that that builder gel goes on nice and smooth, and then I don't have to spend a bunch of time filing and shaping afterwards. So again, I'm just spreading that on. Once I have a good amount, I'm wiping off my brush and then I'm just smoothing that builder gel around. I want to have most of the product towards the center and the tip of my nail, and then less product towards the side walls and the cuticle. That way you have more of a natural apex and a really nice natural shape. So for me, I'm just going to do one layer of builder gel on all of my nails. And I'm just, again, spreading that product around, swiping the gel on, and then taking my time and make sure it's really placed nice and evenly, that I'm not getting it on my fingers or on my sidewalls or flooding the nail. I also am making sure I swipe some on the tip and then smooth it out so that I have that protection towards the tip of my nail. Once I have all the product on there, I'm going to flip my hand upside down for about 10 seconds. This is going to allow the product to level out and to create a beautiful natural apex as it starts to shift towards the bottom there. I'm going to nail magic this here so you don't have to sit and watch me cure for 2 minutes, but I'm going about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's cured, it is going to naturally be sticky. You can take a wipe with some alcohol and the stickiness will wipe right off. Or if you're doing a gel mani like I'm going to be doing, leave that sticky layer just as it is. So I've chosen two beautiful colors from my Sparkle & Co. sub bag this month. I do have that video on my channel and I'm doing a giveaway. So make sure you check that out because the giveaway is still going on as I'm filming this now. So this beautiful silver color, I'm going to use that as an accent. And I'm following the same type of steps. I'm going to put the color on and then just really slowly and gently smooth it out so that I have a good smooth application and it doesn't mess with my natural shape. This color is absolutely stunning. It's this green blue iridescent, shifts to pink and purple and blue. It is just absolutely stunning. So same thing, just kind of taking my time here, moving that product around. If you get a little too much like I did there, I'm going to wipe some of that gel off on the next nail so that I have more of a clean brush. And then I'm just going to work that product around and smooth it around until it looks nice. Then I'm just going to follow the same process on all of my nails here. So this is the first coat. While you watch me paint here, I'll tell you a little bit about my Sparkle & Co. subscription. So I recently just switched to gel because I have been obsessed with this Builder Gel application. But before that, I was subscribed to the dip powder. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with my dip powder collection because I don't see myself going back to spending 2 to 3 hours doing my nails when I can get an equally beautiful manicure in like 30 minutes with the gel. So, probably going to end up passing those along to y'all through my giveaways. So if you are new here, I do a ton of giveaways, at least one a month. I do lots of tutorials, so make sure you subscribe. You don't miss any of those. Now that I've got my first application on, I'm flipping that upside down for about 10 seconds, and then we're going to throw that in the lamp and cure it. I'm using a Sally Hansen lamp I bought like 15 years ago, probably at Target or Walmart. I will link a similar lamp from that you can get from Amazon down below. Going in with my second application, and I'm following the same process here, just taking my time and making sure I'm putting that product on very, very smoothly. On this step, since this is going to be my last color step, I'm making sure to hit the tip and smooth that color around. Now, if you do take your time painting your color on smoothly, you will not have to sit here and file and clean up and shape once you have the product on. So it does take a little bit of time off of the process if you just spend a little more time on your application. So I'm going to go ahead into this beautiful iridescent green color and put the second coat on the rest of my nails. So I do my nails in 3 steps. I do these 4 fingers first, total process, the builder, base, the color gel, and the top coat. Then I do my 2 thumbs in the second application, and then in the third application, I do the other 4 fingers on the other hand. And it takes me about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on what I'm doing, if I'm doing something fancy. And I've got a whole manicure done. And these last me weeks with no chipping, no peeling, no lifting. And when I say I'm obsessed, I am obsessed. If you get a little bit of color that spills into your sidewalls, I just use my fingernail to wipe it off, and then I wipe it on a paper towel, or you can use a wood cuticle stick or any kind of tool to just clean that up as you go. And I'm going to finish up with my pinky here with my last layer of color. Once I have the opacity that I like and the thickness that I like, then I'm going to move on to top coat. So once you've got the color applied to your liking, cleaning up a little bit of that spillage on the sidewalls here, I'm going to go ahead and flip my hand upside down again for about 10 seconds, let that color level out, let that build a beautiful natural apex in a good shape. And then once that's done, I'm going to flip it in and cure it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Nail magic. There we go. Look at how beautiful that color is. I still cannot believe it. I still have this on my nails. I'm looking at them right now, and it is gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Now we're going to go into the no wipe top coat, and this top coat is my favorite top coat I have ever used, and I have used quite a few. It just goes on so easy. It is thick, it is shiny, it's beautiful, it doesn't chip on me. It's just so easy to use and so beautiful. So I am picking up quite a bit here, and I'm putting a really liberal amount of this top coat on. I really want to make sure that I'm getting a good thickness and a good, beautiful, glossy layer to top off this manicure. And again, I'm just applying that gel, I'm smoothing it out, I'm hitting the tip there, and then just smoothing it out. And I'm going to do the same process on all of my nails here. So I am getting to the bottom of these bottles, so I already went ahead and picked up another set of this off Amazon. It's still only 10 bucks for the builder gel and the top coat, and I've been using these bottles for about 2 months now. And I do my nails at least once a week. So it really does last you quite a bit for 10 bucks. I mean, it's probably the best thing I ever bought off Amazon. So I will link the products below. And if you are looking for a good gel or dip powder subscription bag, I highly recommend Sparkle & Co. I will link that video where I unbox this February sub bag and have the giveaway and everything, and I'll link that down below. You can use my name, Amber Riley, as a referral, and you will get an $18 statement credit if you sign up for the Sparkle & Co. sub bag. But I do highly recommend them. Their products are just fantastic. You really can't beat it. And their company is just amazing. And I love to support good companies with great customer service and good quality products. So I'm going to hit the tip of that last little pinky, smooth it out, and then you know the drill. We're going to flip them upside down 10 seconds and let that top coat level out. And again, that's just creating a good shape and letting everything level out and smooth out. And you will see how beautiful everything comes out here in just a minute. I'm going to cure that 1 to 2 minutes, making sure I'm hitting the bottom of my nails as well. And there we are. Look at how beautiful that came out. I have a really good thickness on here, a really good shape. I had a little bit of spillage in the sidewalls there. So I'm going to just grab a file, and I'm not filing the cuticle area. I'm not filing the tip. I'm just running the file along those sidewalls on the bottom edge of my nail just to clean up any of that gel that spilled over. And up here at the cuticle, it's very clean. I have no need to file it at all. It's just right here on the sidewalls. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out so that you don't have to sit here and watch me file all of my nails. But again, I'm just going to go ahead and run that file along the bottom edge and clean up that shape. So it took me about 1 to 2 minutes to do that filing, and that was it. That's all I did. Here they are, all finished, all fingers. How beautiful is this? Can you believe that I got this mani done in like 30, 40 minutes? These products are so easy to use, and they last just as long as my dip powder. I don't have broken nails. I don't have chipped nails. I am obsessed. So here is the gel I use from Sparkle & Co. Make sure you check out my video where I do the sub bag unboxing, and I have a giveaway, so it's not too late to enter that giveaway. I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.